Acorn Woodpeckers! High in the smog-free mountains of Southern California, where people go to recreate and breathe fresh air and chop down trees, lives a feathered friend named the Acorn Woodpecker. Acorn woodpeckers are known for their social attitudes. They hang out together in colonies. During the summer, they eat insects, and in the fall, they collect acorns. They go to great lengths to find juicy termites and grubworms and beetles. They're always squawking and hanging out with each other, climbing trees, looking for bugs, breathing the fresh air and looking down at us lowly human beings, thinking, "Ha! You have to walk everywhere." So what do they do in the winter when there's no insects? Well, these clever little feathered friends have a trick up their sleeve. You see, all those acorns they collect in the fall, they stash in holes that they drill into dead trees. Then when wintertime comes, they just open up their acorn pantry and enjoy a meal of tasty acorn.